MOJIX presents the first open item chain for the food industry. Meet our item, a king salmon caught in the open waters of Alaska. Within our chain, this salmon has its own universal ID, which can be associated with a lot number. Every time our salmon is packed, shipped, or transformed and separated into parts, all the KDEs and CTEs are forever associated with this original ID. Ignoring the unaffected foods, recalls can laser in on exact items at lightning speed. How does it work? It's simple. With no more than a smartphone, the grower, fishery, or first transformer creates an item at no cost. DCs, processors, wholesalers attach information to the salmon thanks to a digital link. This link helps stakeholders see the previous event before registering the new one. In turn, everyone benefits from the data collected with different degrees of privacy. There are no missing links. The data is reliable. Everyone's accountable. A facts-based traceability policy can now be enforced. Our open network is inspired by the existing GS1 GDSN. Synchronizing data coming from multiple sources. And acting as a global repository, because food trade and its risks are global. The multi-tenant technical architecture hits the right balance between data privacy and data sharing. Its traceability and interoperability at no cost for the regulator and those who supply the data. And it's supported by all the organizations who create value-added services based on this data. Well, what happened to our king salmon? Caught by a tiny local fishery, it was certified for global trade. Regulators now have free and direct access to data for problem resolution and rule enforcement. Liability-free food brands, QSRs, and retailers grow their customer loyalty and their price points. Research, knowledge, and financial industries use the data for commodity markets perspective analysis. The data fragmentation problem is solved. Every event is made relevant. Farm to fork is a reality. Item for food by MOJIX.